Folks, we're about to get off the new tank car, Director Pleasanton Future the Dublin line. We want the first car lease off the 3042, the sideways seat. Look at this. It's on sideways seat, folks. We're getting off at Bayfair, coming up at platform number 1. Alright, we're getting out.
Now giving out. Bayfair.
Alright, this is the 3042, the sideways seat, the first car lease off. Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
You too. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy holidays to you.
You too. Hey, I like the sideways seat though.
I know, me too.
I like it so far. Hey, I'll come back tomorrow. I'm gonna go on sideways seat again. I'm gonna see this one again.
Yep. Have a good night.
You too. Alright, she's about to leave in a couple minutes.
The doors are closing.
Alright, there she goes.
Please stand clear of the doors.
See you. Alright, there she goes.